Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything.
Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here today for a relaxing after dark clean with me, or at least I tried to make it as relaxing as I could with my music choices. But basically I'm just going to be sharing with you guys what I do every single night, with some exceptions, after I nurse my daughter and pass her to my husband to put to bed. So we've been doing this for the longest because as she got older she stopped falling asleep while nursing, which is how I used to put her to sleep every single night. But now she needs to be rocked, and he's just so much better at it than me. So for right now, that's our routine. Then I come downstairs and tackle the mess from earlier in the day. I'm starting off with the dishes, and I'm also watching an after dark clean as I clean, because they truly push me to get everything done that I need to, when really I just want to plop myself on the couch and watch some TV after being preoccupied all day. But it truly does feel so much better to do that after the house is already clean. So I hope this video does the same thing for you and serves you well as you tackle your after dark cleaning.
Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't.
You guys, I never want my cleaning videos to seem repetitive, but I feel like I'm always starting off in the kitchen when I record. But that is truly where I feel the most motivated after cleaning. So I definitely do always tackle the kitchen first, just because once the kitchen is clean, it kind of sets the vibe for the rest of the house. So I'm sorry if every single time you guys watch one of my cleaning videos it starts the same way, but this is truly what I do every day and every single night. So after I do the dishes, I'm just gonna wipe down the countertops, take out the trash, and then I'll let the dog out while I'm taking out the trash. But I did want to give you guys some tips for after dark cleaning. So like I said, I like to watch after dark cleans, and I typically click on the ones that say relaxing, because that means they're gonna have relaxing music, and it just gives me the motivation to keep going and puts me in like a cozy mood, cozy vibes. But also you could put on like a podcast or a playlist of music if you don't want to watch after dark clean with me's. But after dark clean with me's are just perfect, because not only are they like a playlist because there's music going on, but then you have somebody talking to you and cleaning with you, so it's perfect. But again, if you guys don't want to watch those, then you can also do a podcast or a playlist of your own.
See the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Oh, everything makes total sense.
So again, while I'm taking out the trash, I just let the dog out and I let him just roam around back there while I do the rest of the cleaning. Don't worry, our backyard is fenced in, so he just likes to roam around there and play around in the tree and bushes, and then I'll bring him back in when I'm about to go back upstairs. And now we're gonna tackle the living room. My living room always looks like this. I always get questions on like, do I have any toys, because my living room always looks picked up on video. Guys, no, it always looks like this. Actually, I just choose not to show it all the time, but I do have a blanket basket where I hide all of her toys, and then also in that corner right there where you see me going, I have another basket with the rest of her toys. Now I'm just looking for all her toys that kind of come in sets, and let me know if you guys are like this, but it's just so satisfying to me when I can find all of them and put them all back together. So I thought that if there's any moms out there like me who enjoy this, I'll include this because it's super satisfying to me. I hate when I cannot find like one of them and it's just not complete. I almost feel like not giving it to her every day because she just ruins it and throws them all over the place, and I just like having them. I don't know, I guess it's like OCD, but I enjoy putting all them back together. And those toys are the only ones that I go ahead and just leave on the mantle, because as soon as she wakes up while I'm making breakfast, I put them on the coffee table for her, and she just loves ruining them and causing my anxiety to spike.
I still wanna hold you, hold. Baby, let me hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold. Your eyes intoxicating. There's something about the way you look at me.
So I don't usually do this every night, but on this night, all the glass in my living room had little baby prints all over it, so I decided to just wipe them down. I have a lot of glass in my living room. My side tables are all glass, and then as well as that mirror. But then I headed upstairs to her nursery, and yes, I know I don't have curtains here yet. She doesn't sleep in here. She just plays in here. So right now, I don't feel the need to put them up. I do have them though, but yeah, I usually fold one load of laundry every day or do something involving laundry. So today it's going to be a huge pile of her clothes that are already washed and dried and just need to be folded. But then I also picked up a little bit in here, so I put away her diapers and wipes, and also threw away all the mess inside of her crib. She had a bunch of Easter baskets. She got 3 Easter baskets, one from my mom, one from my dad, and one from us. So I just went ahead and threw away all the hay and stuff, and then I'm going to go ahead and fold all her laundry.
My mind's accelerating, your eyes intoxicating. I find it hard to explain. Oh, I keep thinking of you, about the times we had, and I wanted you to stay. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Hold you, hold you, hold. Hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold.
So while I'm doing this, I just thought I'd take the time to just let you guys know a couple of things that are coming up. So again, the very next video should be another decorate with me. I headed over to Hobby Lobby and Home Goods one Saturday, and I just went ahead and started decorating the hallway upstairs, and I did a new decor centerpiece for my dining table and some things in the living room area. But yeah, it's just gonna be a super chill new house decorate with me, and then following that, or the next 2 videos after that, but I think it will be the next one after this one, will be the second part of the kitchen makeover. So if you're new here, you might have noticed the open shelving when I was in my kitchen. So that was the first part of the makeover. We DIY'd some open shelving in the kitchen on a blank wall that I had, and then we're also adding a pendant light, so we're gonna have to actually move our can lighting. My husband is doing that. We're gonna get like the circular saw insert for the drill and go ahead and try to do it ourselves, because again, he is in the electrical field and it should be super easy. It should be just like cutting a hole, moving it 3 inches, and then patching up the other hole. Let's hope it's that easy. We will see. But then we're going to be adding that pendant light, and then also as changing some of the cabinet doors to the glass cabinet doors to add, I don't know, I just feel like it'll be more open right now. I love all the white cabinets, but it just feels like very closed in, like everything is like kind of like block. I don't know how to explain it, but I feel like adding glass will kind of add a little more openness, like feeling like it's more open. And I really want to like put the wine glasses and my white dishes there, and I just feel like it's gonna look cute. But yeah, that's what's coming up. So I did film myself putting away all this laundry after, and then I also vacuumed in her room, but I think the footage got deleted. But anyways, after all that is done, I go ahead and go downstairs and let the dog back in, and then I let my robot vacuum do all the vacuuming, and I go to sleep for the night or go upstairs and watch some TV with my husband in the guest bedroom because my daughter does sleep in our room with us. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found it relaxing and that it motivated you to do your nighttime cleaning. I will see you guys in my next one. Be sure to click that subscribe button if you're looking forward to that.